Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how you can easily fix the issue that only one earbud is working on your Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 FE. So actually this issue is kind of common on the Samsungs, so don't worry, we'll fix this issue. At first we need to go to the settings here, and now we need to go straight to the connected devices. Here, as you can see, I am connected with my headphones. It's because mine might work, but I had the equivalent of them, which is the Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro, which actually works the same, so that's why I'm talking about this. Here, if your earbuds don't work, tap this gear icon, tap forget button, and forget your device. Go to the connection preferences, go to Bluetooth, and disable Bluetooth right there. Now, close your case if it was opened, and put both earbuds in the case. Try charging it up to 100% so that you can see both left and right earbuds are charged. If it still doesn't work after this, we have to open the case lid like now and hold the button on the bottom until we see these lights flashing. Or close the case when you see these RGB lights blinking here, and then open the case, hold this circle button on the bottom of the case, back again for the same amount of time. Now they are factory resetted, and now we can pair with them. So turn on the Bluetooth, go back, tap pair new device, and check the availability of your earbuds right there. Now they should work, as I said, and if they do, you owe me a like. Not just a joke, but actually, if it helped you, leave a like, subscribe, because that is for this video, and goodbye.